welcome back to What the Bake. I'm super excited because we are officially starting with our Christmas dessert videos. Now to kick it off, we will be making cute little reindeer macarons. Before we continue with this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my Christmas dessert videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get baking. To start, we will sift our ground almonds or almond flour 3 times. I know it sounds like a lot, but we want to make sure that our macarons are nice and smooth. Next, we can add our icing sugar. I like to go through it with a whisk just to make sure that everything is well combined. Add half of your egg whites and use a rubber spatula to mix until it forms a paste. This is also the perfect time to add a little bit of food coloring. As I was mixing, I noticed that my color wasn't dark enough, so you can keep adding a little bit of food coloring until you're happy with the color. For this recipe, we will be using the Italian method. Now what that means is that we will whisk up the rest of our egg whites until it reaches a stiff peak. Then, on the other side of the kitchen, we will heat up our water and castor sugar until it forms a syrup. We will then add this syrup to our egg whites while it's being beaten until it forms a nice glossy meringue. In a mixing bowl, beat your egg whites until it reaches stiff peaks. In a saucepan, add your water and castor sugar. You can stir a little bit, but then let the mixture heat up on its own. We want this mixture to reach 110 degrees Celsius. Now you guys, safety first. We will add the hot sugar syrup only a little bit at a time. 1, we don't want to overcook the eggs and end up with scrambled eggs. But 2, we have to remember this is hot sugar. So while we're mixing, we don't want it to spatter everywhere and get on our skin. So safety first, little bit at a time. You will mix the mixture until it is nice and glossy. We also need this mixture to be room temperature so you can touch the side of the bowl. If it still feels hot, keep mixing. If not, you're ready to go. We will add half of our meringue mixture to our almond paste and we will use a rubber spatula to fold it in. Remember, do not overfold. Then we can add the rest of the meringue mixture. You'll know when your mixture is ready, when all the ingredients are well combined, and then when you lift up your rubber spatula, the batter actually looks like it's forming ribbons. We call this the ribbon stage. To pipe our macarons in the cute reindeer shapes, we will be using a template and then covering it with a silicone mat, or you can use baking paper. Using a piping bag, we can pipe our reindeer. I like to go over my macarons using a toothpick to make sure that the shape is really nice and also to make sure that there are no air bubbles in the macaron. Then we can add our reindeer antlers. Let your macarons rest for about 20 minutes. We want a little skin to form over the macaron, and this will prevent any cracks from forming in the oven. If you live in a very humid place, maybe take a little bit longer than 20 minutes. Pop your macarons in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. Let's get decorating. We will start by painting Rudolph's face. You can use food coloring and then quick dry essence, clear alcohol or water. For these macarons, we will be using delicious chocolate ganache. The recipe is on my website and I will leave a link down below. Fill your macaron with the ganache and assemble. And there you guys have it, our Christmas reindeer macarons. They're delicious and perfect for any occasion, especially the holiday season. If you guys decide to give it a try, don't forget to take a photo, post it on Instagram, and tag me. I would love to see your creations. As usual, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And if you click the little bell, you will get a notification every time I post a new video. And there's a lot of Christmas videos coming soon. Have fun baking!